everybody, Summit Girly here, and this is part 2 of the 2 Inku boxes in January. If you didn't see the verse video, it should have been posted before this one. And this is the actual box for January. It's already open because I had to check the note card to find out. Teal Deer. I got November's box again in December. Had to contact them. They finally sent me December's box when I got January's, but I got them together, so I didn't know which one was which, so I had to open them. Anywho, don't forget, I am visually impaired. And I use the zoom on my camera and reader glasses to be able to see fine details of the information and stuff that I'm trying to convey to you. Here we go. This is very light. And before I even opened it to find out if the note card said January or not, I was a little concerned that it was empty because it was so light. But it wasn't. I did not peek at anything. The only thing I looked at was the note card. And even if I did peek, can't see anything anyway. Now, if you could see, it doesn't say January on the note card that I can see anywhere on it. Thankfully, December one did. So we got a front here that looks like maybe it is, we're on the train and we're going back past Mount Fujisan. Everything's all snowy and beautiful and wonderful. Yeah, it's definitely the train. I always wanted to go on one of the trains. All right. Another reason why the video is so long, if you haven't noticed the time on it, is because at the end of this, we'll be going through this pamphlet to be able to find out what I guess was wrong, what the items were, and if there were any variations of them. Okay. First thing out of here, I'm going to grab, it looks like maybe we got a teeny tiny little washi tape. And that's exciting because I don't think I have any little ones. No. It's Pikachu! I'm sorry for the noise I just made. It's Pikachu. Okay. All right, that's how long it is. And this is the design that's going to be on the tape. Looks like we got Baneri, Pikachu, Piplup, and Eevee. I love them. Now, it looks like there could have been like either another design or this could be like the rest of the tape. They're just showing us more. It's probably showing us more. If there is another design, we will be told about it in the pamphlet. But sorry I'm babbling, but I really love when I get branded items in these. Like we get Sumika Garashi, which is a Sanax. We get Hello Kitty. Pikachu. We got Animal Crossing already. There was a lot. I don't think this is our one and only Pokemon item. I think, that's really sturdy plastic for that. Amazed by technology. Okay, yes, it is a mini roll, but doesn't mean it doesn't have a lot on it, because look at how thick that boy is. Let me see here. I've got some tape up here. Is this from Japan? Yeah, I got a couple of rolls up here. But I think it could be the same amount. It's just that this roll just happens to be bigger. All right, let's give a zoom so I can see. Whee! Ooh, 2 zoom. Okay, we are upside down. So yes, we have Pikachu, Piplup. Is that Piplup? Yes. Eevee. That's a squirrel one. Pachicharisu. I'm not 100% sure on the pronunciation. We got Baneri. We got... Okay, so there's where the paper comes off, the washi. And it's regular washi paper. Love that. Love it. Already happy. Already so happy. so happy. Put that off to the side. I don't know what that is. It's squishy, so we're going to save that. What's this? Are you an eraser? Because you're square and you don't feel like you could be a marker. There's information on the back. Hold on. Whatever this is, it's going to be weird to hold because it's like rectangle shaped and it is a marker. It says mild marker. Ugh. Why is it square? That's kind of weird. It looks like a highlighter. I don't want to waste another sheet, so we're just going to write below it. Ooh. That's a pretty color. I mean, technically you could write with the tip, but then you damage the tip, but that's a pretty color. That is pretty. Oh, I didn't notice the end here. The end here is the color too. So I guess like if you have it standing in something, you have the color. It's probably the branding there, and I don't know what it is. It's interesting to me. Okay, so that's the price right there. 110 yen. I know I'm way too fascinated with it, but it's the shape of it. I mean, at least the shape keeps you holding it where the tip and the angle of it will keep like moving along. But I don't know. That's fascinating. All right, what do we got here? We got 2 sets of what looks like bunny stickers. Just bunnies? They look like they're different colors, different shades. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, they're just a bunch of bunny stickers in different shades and colors. There's 2 sheets of them, which, yay. They look like maybe seals for like an envelope or something, because they're very basic. Like there's just no face or anything. So like say if you wanted to seal an envelope or just put like a simple design somewhere. I don't know. Sorry, I saw that. Looks like we got some sort of writing utensil. Not really sure what kind it is, but I feel like it's not a pencil, maybe a colored pencil, because that's red. That is a red. So, or maybe it's a pink color, depending on the end here. Got another little bunny here. Is that the only thing on there? Just the bunny? I zoomed in further, and it looks like this says modern mode on it with just a little tiny bunny. Oh, there's like a word up here. What is this? Usagi. Oh, that's bunny in Japanese. Okay, so we got ourselves a red or pink colored pencil with bunnies on it, and you know I love bunnies. It's the year of the rabbit, the Chinese Lunar New Year. Okay, I have to look at this. All right, this is another bunny, and it's so soft. It's a plushie. It is very soft, like I don't know, like a Squishmallow soft. If you've ever touched one of those, which yes. So the tag says Toridori Life. I don't know. I really don't know. I've never heard of that either, unless I have, and it's escaped my brain. But it's a very nice plush, and I'm so happy to get it. So yeah, I'm thinking this is all Year of the Rabbit themed. Because there's so many bunnies. Pikachu's not a bunny in Japan. You guys told us it was electric mouse. Oh, no. I want to say that for last. What is this? What? Are you going to be easy for me to open?
No.
It was a lot easier than you thought. It was a lot easier than I thought. Okay. Such a strange shape. I mean, how would you... I mean, I guess you could just put it on your desk like this, but there's nothing to collect the shavings in the back. It's just open, kinda. There's like a plastic cover over it. I don't know. I like the color, and I like the shape of it. It's very interesting to me. I mean, it's not red. It's more of a magenta pink. Magenta pink. That's not a word. That is not a word at all. Okay. Little paper worms. Okay. I'm still saving for that for last. All right, what do we have here? Looks like we got some sort of little surprise thing, and I believe it's a stamp. Okay. We got ourselves a little bit of paper here, like I thought. And this stamp has probably 2 sides to it. Yeah. What is that? That looks cute, whatever it is. That is a little creature and a little... Is that a pig car? No, it's a bear car. It's a bear car. Their stamps are... you unscrew them to use them. And the ink's already in here somehow, some way. I think. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. If not, you have to get an ink pad out. Nope. They're inked. And it's pink. I don't know what this little critter is. Because, again, it's drawn. The back of this has that on there. I have a couple stamps now, and they're so adorable. Okay, let's look at this. Now, which way do you unfold this away? Looks like I already got some designs there. Huh. There is a little bunny. These are cute. Is that a hedgehog? I instantly love that just because of that. There's a star. It looks very unhappy. Post-production means going to be like, that's not a star. How cute is that? I love that they tell you what the other designs could have been in the little blind bag. Okay, last item in here, I think. I don't see anything else but these little wiggly worms. Looks like a Pikachu towel or... Oh, it's not. It's a bag. But it's terry cloth material. Look at his wink. He's just like, hi, how you doing? Oh, there's his tail. Which way do you go? Oh, it's a double zipper. I like that. I like when there's two zippers. Oh, those are the stitching. The stitching's on the inside too. It's a little bag that unfolds like that. But it's terry cloth, almost like a washcloth, but I don't think it's a washcloth because you wouldn't want that zipper near your face, would you? All right, here we go. Here's the whole thing. It is a pouch, a short pouch by a company here. So you guys get to see the front. You get to see the back, and now I'm going to peek at it. Okay, usually when I see that symbol, not that one, this one, it's usually an official symbol of something. And then it does say Pocket Monsters on the top here. It looks like you put makeup in it. Is it a makeup pouch? Sometimes we get makeup items. We do. Let's see here. Privacy, moisture, small, gadget. Oh, I could put my phone in there. That would be nice. Wouldn't it? Okay, now what does it show in the back? Sometimes they show like what else you could do with it. I don't know how it would keep away from moisture. The material it's made of feels like a washcloth. And to me, a washcloth absorbs moisture. I don't know. But it's really interesting to us. To me. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, it would be cute to like put my phone in there. I don't know if no. The size of my phone would not fit in there. It's a little too short. That's fine. For those of you who've come this far, thank you very much for watching. So what do we think? Now, for the rest of you who are staying for the pamphlet, let's get into it. Okie dokie, we are going to start with the Inku exclusive rabbit wrist and armrest. Oh! Maybe for like when you're using your computer? That would explain why it's so soft, but yet the plush inside. It's not what I was guessing. Not at all. Okay, so it was the only design there. It's for just putting under your arm so that way you don't get like fatigue in it. Like whether you're on the computer or whether you're like doing crafts and stuff like that. That's amazing. And it's an exclusive. I love exclusives. Pikachu towel pouch. It's a towel pouch. Hey, that's a different shape. One of two designs. I guess you could have gotten this like onigiri shapes design. We've got the bottle top pencil sharpener. Bottle top. What bottle top? One of two colors. Looks like the other one you could have got was pink. Can be attached to... Wait a minute! There's threads on the inside. I wish I had a bottle. There's threads on the inside. You could put it on the top of a bottle and like put your shavings into the bottle so that way you don't make a mess. And being that, depending on the size of bottles and stuff like that, it would take a while to fill it up before you could even have to throw it out. So it's like recycling the bottle into this. That's amazing. That's amazing. Oh, the wrong one. That's amazing. Oh my goodness. I mean, like you couldn't recycle the bottle then. Or could you? I mean, it's a plastic bottle with wooden pencil shavings inside. I don't think so. Somebody let me know in the comments. That would be interesting to figure out. Okay, we've got rabbit-shaped stickers, which 3 sheets. Oh. There's 3. One was stuck. One was stuck. So we got 3 of these sheets. One was stuck. Pokemon masking tape, which was the only design it looks like. And it was an awesome design. Loved it. Right? Wait. Yeah. Mild marker, which was one of 4 different colors. Looked like another one you could have gotten this pinky magenta, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Second last, it was the rabbit pencil, which explains the pink. There was one of 2 colors. I wonder, what is that, purpley? Does that look purple? You guys let me know, or I could do it in post-production. And then, of course, this was one of 18 designs for the Chiikawa character stamp. So it must be some sort of character for either a manga, maybe for magazines. It could be a line character for the app Line. It could be for a video game. Don't know. I don't know. But still, one of 18 designs. Amazing. So, what did we learn? This is a wrist rest, not just a plushie. There's 3 of these sticker sheets, not just 2. This goes on a bottle, so that way you can, collect your shavings in one place. That's it. But we did learn some new things about the things that we already opened. So what do you guys think now that you're here at the end of the video? I think it's really great. I really love it for the beginning of the new year. And I really love that it's the year of the rabbit. I love seeing all the little bunny things because everything's going to be cute. Cute. Alrighty. Thank you for coming to watch my unboxing of this video. And I hope to see you in my next one. Sorry it was a little rambly. I was excited about everything. And I'll see you. Bye-bye.